Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting State. Here we are on the beautiful, beautiful Colonial Parkway, taking in the scenery again. And my beautiful bike needs a bath. So guys, how y'all doing today? I'm enjoying the weather on two wheels. I was just kind of out riding and, well, I'm on a mission. The dealership, Hampton Roads, my favorite people in the world, called me up and said my license plates are in, my temporary tags are still on there, so I'm on my way up there to go get my permanent plates. And hold on, okay, make sure that's good. So going over there to get my permanent plates, and you know, I work night shift, so I just woke up around like 1. I'm trying to hurry up and get out there. Like I said, it's about an hour and a half drive to get to them and everything, so I'm just rushing, even though you shouldn't rush on a motorcycle, but that's my life. So busy. Go. With that said, I can't wait to put an exhaust on this thing. It's so much louder. Anyways, all right, let's get this thing in the wind. So, those new to the channel, this is my 2021 Harley Davidson Road King special that I just picked up from Hampton Roads Harley Davidson. They hooked me up with a really good deal and helped make this happen. And here we go. So, anyways, Road King Special, Deadwood Green. Beautiful color, getting lots of compliments. And I probably need to get gas soon. Anyway, so, heading to the dealership, picking up my permanent tags. Finally came in, and I'll take care of that today. Also, other good news is, my parts for the Roadster finally came in, and I'm getting those parts pressed together because it's the clutch basket and the clutch hub. So getting that pressed together, and then I'll be able to put that on. Probably not this weekend because it's definitely a very busy weekend, but probably sometime next week. I don't know. I'll get it done. Like I said, busy life. So we're gonna have the Roadster back on the road. And if you're new to the channel, when I say Roadster, I have a 2017 Harley Davidson Roadster XL 1200 CX. That, oh, thought that was a cop coming after me. But yeah, those not familiar with Sportsters, or if you own a Sportster, for some reason they put this plate inside the clutch packing, whatever you want to call it. It's like this little, like, it's two plates basically riveted together inside your clutch, and those little rivets like to explode, and it just destroyed my clutch basket, everything. So I had to order new parts, get all that fixed and everything. It's finally in, and maybe the next video, you know, we'll have the Roadster back up and running, and I'll be doing some motor vlogging from there. And the Roadster is what started this channel. It's what made it happen. So I can never get rid of that. So those of you who've been following the channel for a little bit and asking, did I trade the Roadster in or get a new one, or do I plan on selling it or whatever? Did I get a new one? No. No, I didn't get a new one. Did I trade it in, or did I sell it? No, I didn't. Because, like I said, that's when I bought that bike, I had no intention of doing a motovlog channel or anything like that. I just wanted to ride. And when I started talking about this, you know, those who don't have a bike and thinking about getting into riding, you know, just be careful. I mean, it's addicting. It really is. And I've tried many hobbies in my life, and nothing's ever really like stuck. But I started riding in 2017, and now it's definitely part of my life. So, and don't fool yourself into thinking like I'm just gonna buy a cheap bike and just ride for fun or whatever, and say, no, this stuff is addicting and it gets expensive. Whether you buy that old bike and you just spend a lot of money like customizing it, new parts, keeping it running, and I mean just the maintenance on a motorcycle, like it's it can add up pretty quick, especially if you're paying someone else to do the work, which I was doing in the beginning, but now I've just, you know, I want to get more into my hobby and my passion, and started working on stuff myself. So that's why the Roadster's up on the lift at the moment. So, but yeah, it's definitely addicting. It's definitely fun, and it's a passion, and I could never get rid of that Roadster, you know, because I mean, for one, it's such a fun bike to ride, but two, you know, that's what started my whole addiction, and that's what started me motovlogging. So whether I'm on this bike or another bike, whatever it is, the Roadster's definitely staying. And I think this is going to be I'm gonna keep this in the family for a long time too, even though, whew, man, this one's expensive. But it just comes down to hustle and grind. So and I apologize if I'm a little off right now too. This is, again, I don't know what's going on with my mic, but I just tried recording the same video, so I'm having the same conversation with you guys again, even though you're hearing it for the first time. But I recorded it, I thought the mic was fine and everything, and I'm gonna be so mad if I get up here to the dealership and check the audio on this thing. Said, hello, officer. And if I check the audio on this thing, it's messed up again. Like, so I think I said it on the last video I just did, but I have the external mic and I have the built-in mic on this. So it's a GoPro 8, 9, I think it's an 8. GoPro 8. Hold on. Whew, rode that one a little bit. It's a GoPro 8, and then I have the GoPro media adapter, I think is what it's called. It's basically a case that goes around the GoPro, and it has a like an extra external microphone for, oh Lord, slow people today. The external microphone for the GoPro itself, and then you can also hook another external microphone into that, and that's what I run up into my helmet so I can talk to you guys. But it actually didn't start like messing up until I got this, but that has nothing to do with it. But yeah, like I don't know what's going on with it, and I gotta figure it out. But like sometimes it'll do the mic that's inside my helmet, and then other times it's gonna take and jump to the mic that's mounted on the GoPro, you know, on the media case. And then all you're getting is wind noise. You can still kind of hear me through the helmet, but it's just straight up like wind noise. And look, I mean, for me, I'm already like limited on time and everything. So when I have to take and like reshoot a video, and it's a good thing I stopped to check it, I'm like, come on. And it actually happened the other night too, because, you know, I recorded this long thing, you know, my wife and I, we went out on a riding date together. I was gonna let her tell you all about, like, you know, how she liked the backrest and all that stuff. But I got home and I checked the audio, crap. So I had to go back out, reshoot it, and then that's why the upload last time was late. So I'm hoping this time, my second time today, doing a motovlog for you guys, you know, the content's gonna be good, the audio is gonna be great, but I'm gonna figure something else out, because I can't, you know, like I can't keep playing that game, because like the last one I just did, when I was talking to you guys, when I was going through my spill for, you know, for the content, I was on a roll, and now that I have to do it again, I'm like kind of like aggravated, so it kind of throws me off, and I'm not talking to you guys about like the content I want to talk to you about, because now I'm going off about reshooting this video again. But anyway, so that's the stress of being a motovlogger. But what I really want to talk to you guys about, and I'm going to make it quick now, because I mean, I don't want to make a like 20-minute long video for you guys, but yeah, what I really want to talk about is just like, we got y'all started riding, and the addiction of riding, and like, what did you think about like coming into riding and all that stuff, you know? That's what I wanted to talk to y'all about, because motovlogging aside, God, I mean, motorcycling is or riding is my stress relief, and that's what takes my mind off everything, and that's how I just you know, that's my escape from everyone. And I think that's why I got addicted to, except for all these cars, that's why I got addicted to riding, because I don't really like hanging out with a lot of people, so can't really play sports like, you know, baseball, basketball, yada yada yada, all that kind of stuff. That's a team sport or thing where you get together and play together. Motorcycling is great because I don't feel like talking to nobody. I can just jump on my bike and go ride, and it's just me and the road and the bike. So, and it's definitely a passion for me, and it's definitely part of my life. So I don't know, like I said, that's pretty. God bless America. But you know, with all this stuff said, because I am going to wrap it up, because I rambled on too much about the whole mic issue, and I swear if I get up here to this dealership, and you're probably not going to see this video if it is, the audio is messed up, but if I get up here, oh man, I'm going to be going off, because I don't want to have to redo it again for the third time. So breathe, breathe, breathe. Anyways, guys, so I always like to wrap my videos up with, you know, just saying how thankful I am for everyone. You know, because of you guys, I was able to get, you know, my dream bike here, you know, because y'all subscribing to the channel, y'all watching my videos, my content. You know, that dealership believed in me just as much as you guys believed in me to give me a good deal on this. So everybody, all y'all made it happen, you know, from the dealership to you guys especially. And I'm really grateful. And you know, I hope you're out there, like, you know, telling your friends and talking about my channel and hopefully saying good things. But you know, if you're new to the channel, I got, like I said, I got my Roadster, which is my souped up Sportster Cafe Racer. You go back and watch some of those videos. I have that. I got the Road King on the channel now, and I just hope to keep bringing y'all better and better and better and better content, because I do enjoy doing this. With the audio situation aside, I'm gonna figure that out though, but I guess trial and error. So with that said, guys, I love y'all. Y'all ride safe, and I'll catch y'all next time.